So for Ukrainians at the moment, what's happening is that while Europe in the first place as a main importer of Russian fossil fuels, and especially oil and gas, keeps buying those fossils, keeps being dependent on them, paying Russia as an invader state millions and millions every single day. Meanwhile, in Ukraine, we are counting deaths of people every single day, and I'm talking about thousands. And we are just asking ourselves, why is this the price we have to pay? How much does human life worth? How much is it worth in comparison to the price of the fossil fuels? In a certain way, the war was made possible, was financed by fossil fuels, because this is the main export revenues for Russia. So this war again was made possible thanks to the Russian fossil fuels. It was sparked by fossil fuels, the same ones that are causing climate change. And here now coming to the larger story of us being in this very unique moment in time globally, when something should hit us badly, when we realize that our energy security is in a huge danger. Not only for Europe again, but actually for many countries around the world who are dependent on Russian technologies and Russian fossils and so on. And this is the moment in history where we should finally realize how many problems fossil fuels bring, not only on climate that still seems to be so far away from many governments, but also for the energy security. If we think about it that way, then this should become the crucial point of when we have to finally work on our climate action. We're talking about phasing out fossil fuels, Russian fossil fuels first, but this is of course about phasing out all the fossil fuels as quick as possible to actually have the 1.5 degrees working to actually be able to keep the global warming at this very ambitious goal that was set already. But if we don't do it now, at this moment, if we don't realize something, if we start, for example, replacing Russian fossils with other fossil fuels from other countries, then it means we didn't learn absolutely anything. And it means that we are doomed as a humanity. For me, now is the time when we have to take the kind of wartime effort and the steps toward, we can call it even climate action, but maybe it's not very popular, this kind of rhetoric anymore. Action toward energy security, which can only be possible with clean energy. Fossils cannot bring it in any kind.